Whenever you've made a selection in a photo, you can modify the edge by going to Select, Modify, and choose from various options such as Feather, which can add a soft edge to the selection. You can also go to Select, Refine Edge, and add a feather or other selection modification there. You can also go to Select, Transform Selection. This will allow us to stretch or rotate selections. If you have an area selected and want to select everything but that area, you can go to Select, Inverse. This will select what was previously not selected. You can also save selections. Just go to Select, Save Selection, and give it a name. Later it can be loaded as a selection by going to Select, Load Selection. So that's the basics of modifying selections. To learn more in depth about the various selection tools and their options, check out my course called Photoshop Tools in Depth. For now, let's learn about masking in the next section and then wrap up this course with 3 follow-along tutorials which will put some of what you've learned into practice.